Hey there guys, I'm back again, and I have to be honest, I'm kind of in a hurry, but today we are going to unbox the Lookfantastic box. So we are back, it's the first box of the month, June. I cannot wait to see what's inside, and I really dig the box this time. Like, look, it's got like the map of the world over here, well, sort of, Australia somewhere down here. But anyway, it looks amazing. Let's open it up and see what's inside. What does the lid say? It says, travel makes us all storytellers. Completely true. I love traveling. I have since I was a little girl. We got the booklet in here, which I'm going to keep over here. And then we've got the Elle magazine, which I don't really care for all that. Whoa, there was something in here. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, there's like a sample size of something in here. I think it's like a smellaroo thing. Let's see if this works. Come on. Push it up. I have to push this up, but nothing is... Never mind. Don't have time for that. Okay, we got yellow pepper. Ooh, okay. Wow. This is small. Holy cow. Okay. This is the inside of this month's box. Okay, so let's just start with that ridiculously small thing in here, which is this. And this is absurdly small. Like, I can't believe it. This is the BioEffect EGF serum for improved appearance of skin. But this is 3 milliliters. Talk about cheap. I'm sorry. I hope this is an extra and not actually listed as an item, because if this is actually listed as an item, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna be pretty pissed off, because like I paid 20 bucks for 3 freaking milliliters. You gotta be kidding me. So it's not here. Wow, yeah. It's actually an item. Okay, BioEffect EGF serum is worth 25 pounds. This box is from the UK, so everything's going to be in pounds. Doesn't say how much the full size is, because this 3 milliliters, I would not pay 25 bucks for 3 milliliters. That's absurd. This is not a full size at all, but wow, I'm actually bummed out about this. I mean, come on. I cannot be the only one. Let me know down below in the comment section, what do you think about this small of a sample size, which is actually listed as an item? Is that okay, or is that just cheap? I'm sorry, I'm not going to lie about it. I am, however, really excited to give it a try, but it's just... Let's just move on. We've got a soap in here from Corres. Am I pronouncing that right? This is the chamomile softening soap. Natural content is 95.9%, which is pretty cool. Okay, so this is what that little fella looks like, and I can't really smell anything through the package. No, can't really smell anything. Now let's see what kind of a soap this is, because I'm kind of going to assume this is not just your regular hand soap. It says olive over here, pure Greek. Okay, that's pretty cool. I've been to Greece. I loved it. So the Corres Natural Pure Greek Soap, chamomile, pomegranate, or olive and olive blossom. I got chamomile, which I'm really happy with. I love chamomile. This is, let's see, how to use. Work into a lather for a gentle cleanse. Suitable for all skin types. These soaps are 98% natural. 98. Over here it says 95.9. Anyway, what did you receive? It's worth 5 pounds. So I'm just going to assume this is like a body wash or a shower gel, but I don't think this is an actual just regular hand soap. Okay, let's move to something in a spritzer bottle, which is from Bumble & Bumble. This is the Thickening Go Big Treatment. Okay, what is this actually? Shake well. Spray throughout damp hair. Oh, for hair. Okay. Follow with your favorite BB thickening styler and blow dry. Okay, so this is for hair. Nice to know. So this is what that little sucker looks like, and I'm just gonna assume, because it said over here go big treatment, that this is for like volume. Let's check out what it says in the booklet. Oh, it's right here. Bumble and Bumble Surf Spray or Go Big Spray. I got the Go Big Spray, which is worth £2.40. And let's see, I think Boost Limp Hair. Yeah, so this is definitely to get more volume, and as you can see, I could really use some volume in my hair, so I'm actually gonna try this out next time I go shower. Okay, moving on to, this. I like what it says over here. It says, no panic if skin turns red. It works. Add moisturizer after. This is a peeling mask from E-Cooking. Am I pronouncing that right? But this is what that wow, there's only like whitewash. There we go. This is what that fella looks like. And let's see on the inside. Is it sealed? Ooh, yes, it's sealed. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Ooh, it does not smell good. I'm not gonna lie. This is it's like kind of milky on the inside. Clearly, again, not a full size, but I really do enjoy myself a good mask, as y'all know. So let me just check in the booklet what it says. It's over here. The E-Cooking, am I pronouncing it right once again, peeling mask is worth £11.10. 10p, I'm just gonna say, because like the pens, I never can pronounce that word. It's just really annoying, so I'm just gonna say 11 pounds and 10p, because anyway, yeah, really excited. It doesn't really say a lot about this, so yeah, I'm so happy with the mask and I cannot wait to give this a try. Okay, so we still have 1 and 2 more items. Ugh, and we got the little gel packet here. Anyway, there we go. So we got 2 more items and I only have 3 more minutes. Okay, you gotta be kidding me. We got the SVR Top Peelize Hyaluronic Acid plus Omega-3, 6, and 9. This is a cream, I'm just gonna assume. Oh, here, and, irritated eyelids anti-itching soothing cream. Okay, sounds good. So this is what the little box looks like. So clearly an eye cream. It looks very medicinally. So I don't know if this is like for, because it said like irritation and stuff like that. I don't know if this is like very specific for somebody with, for example, very sensitive skin. I don't know. This is what it looks like. Let's check out the booklet and see what it says in the booklet. Okay, it's over here. So the FVR Top Peelize, you know what, sensitive eyelid cream, because I don't know how to pronounce this, is worth 15 pounds. Okay, so I'm gonna expect a lot from this. And then the last item, and I have like 1 more minute left, so I'm gonna rush this, guys. Sorry, but I have an appointment and 1 minute. Okay, this is from Filorga. It's a Lift Structure Cream, Ultra Lifting Cream. This is what it looks like. Again, a very, very small sample size. A cream nonetheless, and let's see, in the booklet it says it's worth 9 pounds and 10p, very small, again, 7 milliliters. Okay guys, I need to rush. So these were all of the items, and honestly I think they're pretty much all sample sizes except for the soap and the eye cream, but the rest this is probably like meant for when you go on trips, which is great. And of course my camera just died on me. Great. What I wanted to say was, I believe that all of this is meant for travel purposes, especially looking at the lid of the box. I think this is all like airport safe, which is okay, but not everybody's gonna go on a trip. And I understand that boxes put this, because the goodie box is the same thing. They put in all like travel size items, which is great. I do love traveling and I do love travel size items, but especially 3 milliliters, that's just cheap in my opinion. The same goes for the Filorga. This is so ridiculously small. 7 milliliters? Really? Like I can take 100 milliliters 10 bottles of 100 milliliters with me on a plane. To give me just 3 and 7, this is like 10 milliliters. I mean, really, you know, this is great because this is small and this is, I think, 30 milliliters. So this is great and it's a great sample size, but I don't know, I feel kind of ripped off, honestly. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, everything is, of course, worth more than I paid for the box, but they're worth more in full sizes, not in travel sizes. These 2 items, I literally could get like this, the size of this, I could literally get in a Douglas or here in Holland in Easy Paris just for free when I buy an item. So actually, I don't even have to buy something. I can ask for it for free. So, I don't know. I love the theme of the box, you know, the traveling worldwide. And clearly we got items that are from all over the world. Like the soap, you know, is from Greece and you name it. But I don't know. I'm just not feeling this box. Y'all let me know down below in the comment section. What do you guys think about this month's box? I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!